Coming up, I will give you 5 search engine optimization tips on how to make Google love you even if you don't love Google. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I will provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. In today's digitalized world, online experiences begin with search engines, and you must learn how to optimize your website for search engines like Google. The search engine that most people use is Google. Almost 30% of global website traffic was generated via online search usage, and 70% of all global searches took place on Google. Online experiences usually begin with a search engine, so it's important that Google loves you to drive traffic to your website. Research shows that search engines drive 300% more traffic to websites than social media. Let's discuss how you can get more traffic from Google even if you think they are greedy, sneaky, and dominate the market too much. Google learns every time a user searches, and they want to give each searcher answers to their questions as soon as possible. It's called searcher task accomplishment. So it's important to help Google help you. Here are 5 things you should do to make sure Google loves you. Number 1, make your website mobile friendly. There are more searches done every day on mobile devices than on desktops. Google dominates the mobile market. We live in a mobile world. Research shows that people who own a smartphone use a search engine at least once a day, and 40% of mobile visitors will leave your website if it takes over 3 seconds to load. With more people accessing the internet on their mobile devices, designing your website for mobile is critical to a top-rate user experience. Google is heading towards mobile-first indexing. To optimize for the mobile experience, companies are embracing responsive website design. A responsive website allows your website to adapt to the size of any screen it is being viewed on from any type of device. Visitors to your website won't notice a lot of difference on your website if they look at it via a desktop screen or on a screen on their mobile device. Before responsive websites emerged, companies had to create 2 versions of their website, one for mobile and one for the desktop. Many companies still do this today, which is a waste of money. With a responsive website, you can have your website ready for all devices, which helps you lower the cost of maintaining a website, provides a seamless user experience, and improves your search engine or SEO efforts. Number 2, add security to your website. Google has said that a secure sockets layer, or SSL, is now a ranking factor in their search algorithm. SSL is a technology ensuring all data, such as passwords, credit card information, and other personal data that passes between a web server and a web browser stays private and ensures protection against hackers. If your website is not SSL enabled, a website with SSL may outrank you, and you'll lose trust with your audience since it's not secure. How do you know if your website has SSL? A helpful tool is called the HubSpot SSL Checker. This tool can tell whether you are secure without having to visit a website. If you're using Google Chrome, for example, Google will tell you if it is secure or not. After entering a website URL into the browser, you'll see the red "Not Secure" warning next to the website that aren't certified with SSL. For websites that are secure with SSL, you'll see "Secure" in green. Google will love you if you use HTTPS. Number 3, keep your content fresh. Simply put, if you update your website often with high quality and fresh content, Google will love you for it. Content relevancy is a Google ranking factor. Freshness matters. A website page can be given a fresh score based on when it was published and when a Google bot first notices the content, and will decay over time, so it's important to update old content. Also, if your website adds more content more often, you may earn a higher freshness score than websites that don't add content frequently. When Google looks at your website more frequently, you can achieve higher rankings. Fresh content increases your authority. Fresh content increases your domain authority. To become an authoritative website, you need to earn Google and the internet's trust through your content. To see how well your website and content is performing is to check your domain authority, a search engine ranking score developed by Moz. This tool helps predict how well your website will rank on search engine result pages, or SERPs, on a scale from 1 to 100. The higher score equals a higher rank. This score can help you compare your website to other websites over a period of time. The more value your content provides, the better chance it will rank higher with Google. To add more value, write longer pieces of content because you are more likely to answer the questions and the related questions searchers are asking. According to research, the content makeup of the top 10 search results in Google all had over 2,000 words. Long-form content gets more social shares than short-form content. When you add fresh content, high-quality, long-form pieces of content to your website and update your old content, Google will love you and reward you with traffic. Number 4, answer questions with your content. To quickly answer questions with your content, do what Marcus Sheridan did. He is one of the earliest adopters of content marketing, and he is known for his revolutionary marketing strategy of answering his customers' questions. How do you find out what questions people are asking? Search via Google in the incognito mode potential questions you think your audience may be asking. Go to the bottom of the search result pages, look at the related searches section, and see what people are asking. Another way to answer questions with your content is to work with your sales team and use your social selling efforts to see what questions your sales team is getting asked most frequently. Have you created content to answer those questions your sales team is getting all the time? The quicker you answer the questions your customers and prospects have, the more Google will love you. Number 5, include videos and images. Videos encourage your website visitor to spend more time on your website. Video also helps them retain more information too. A well-optimized video is up to 52% more likely to show up on the first page of Google than a text article. Besides adding videos to your content, make sure you include images as well. Content gets 94% more views with images, and people remember images better. If a relevant image is paired with the same information, people retain 65% of the information 3 days later. Google loves images and videos just as much as they love text. Make sure you include all 3, images, videos, and text, with every piece of content you produce. Google will love you. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. The secret to getting Google to love you is simple. Update your website so it's mobile friendly and secure. Make sure your content is fresh and answers questions with images, videos, and text. Be consistent over time and keep your website fresh with new and updated content. Your website is a living, breathing entity. Every update you make to your website helps you and Google. If you follow these 5 suggestions, Google will reward you with more website traffic. Thank you for watching. Until next time.